Speaking of being impressed, we thought a trip back to a brand new Northeast Career and Technical Academy was in order. Not only is the campus spectacular, but the district's newest CTA offers the very first energy technologies program in Nevada.
Energy technologies is just awesome. I think it's just so cool just working with electricity.
Electricity is in the air inside Mr. Mundy's classroom at Northeast Career and Technical Academy.
Well, right now we're learning about circuits and like plugs and how energy and volts and all that stuff.
We have direct current and alternating current. Can someone remind me what direct current is?
Not just because of what students are learning.
So we pretty much start them off with, what is voltage, amps, watts, ohms, and we get them understanding basic electricity fundamentals, and then we bring them into the career fields.
But because of where this knowledge will lead.
We got the idea from Mark Perna, so I can't take credit for that, but it's a nationwide program. It's a career tree, and so every one of our 10 programs has the 3 levels within the career tree, and every student can answer the question, what's their first job or their leap in that tree?
I showed that I wanted to be a power plant technician just to see what it'll be like.
Freshman Sophia Johnson loves her new school.
I would say it's more hands-on, that you get to explore different items. Like you learn, but you also get to see like how everything works in person. So when you go into your career job, you're aware of what to do.
And that is exactly what school leaders want to happen.
We get them aligned with whatever pathway they want to, whether they want to get into solar or solar voltaic, or they want to get into wind generation, turbines, or they go into hydroelectric or even geothermal.
Because when there is a plan, the sky is the limit.
I hope to become an aerospace engineer, designing all those cool planes that fly over you at Nellis. Yeah, those planes are awesome.
And for Mr. Mundy students, this class is just the beginning.
I want students to understand their path and for them to choose it. This generation is highly motivated when they believe in a why.
These jobs are going to be exploding, and we need a workforce that is prepared to take on that responsibility.
Right now, NECTA has only freshmen and sophomores. It also offers another first-of-its-kind program for students interested in social work.